Okay, I'm going to explain this website here to kind of help you figure out your monthly payment on your home, because I'm getting a lot of questions for this. So here it is. This is Zillow, and then if you go over to home loans, you just hover over it and you go to Mortgage Payment Calculator. Click this button right here. So this is going to help you figure out what you're even getting involved in, and you can thumbs up or thumbs down a home, okay, or a home price. So here, let's just, for the fun of it, let's just put in a number, $250,000, and I'm going to do a 3.5% FHA mortgage, $8,700. It rounds it up to 4. 30-year fix. The interest rate, we don't know what the interest rate is. However, you're going to have to figure that out, and because interest rates go up and down like gas, so this could fluctuate. But let's go ahead and put 3.25 in there just for an example. This is really the important part that you need to know, and that is the property tax. If you don't know what the property tax is, you'll be lost. So you have to make sure that when you walk into a sales office, you know what the property taxes are of the neighborhood, and you can research them yourself just by finding out what the property address is. However, let me go ahead and just put in some property tax here. 3.59%. Now, when I went ahead and put in this final number 3.59, what happened is the wheel shows up. So now you can see, what am I even expecting to get involved with a mortgage payment? And there it is. You're looking around. If I'm going to spend $250,000, put 3.5 to 4% down on a 30-year fix, an interest rate of 3.25, and a property tax of around 3.59%, you're looking somewhere right around $2,000 a month. Okay, this can fluctuate, and this is not exact. Be very careful. What we're trying to do here is just explain parameters. So when you walk into a place, you'll have an idea of what it is. The only way you'll know this number exactly is by going ahead and filling out a credit application, and then submitting it, getting your number over here for your interest rate, establishing what this down payment is going to be, and then the type of loan. This is based on just like an FHA mortgage. There's many kinds of FHA mortgages, including down payment assistance programs. That's what this is not about. This is strictly an FHA mortgage trying to establish some parameters, so it gives you an idea of what you're getting involved in. So if you have any questions about this is called Zillow Mortgage Payment Calculator. I would encourage everybody to download this and kind of get familiar with this. Just make sure that when you're looking at it, especially when you're on the app version, because everything is smaller, that you expand the advanced and that you put in the property tax, because if you don't know what the property taxes are, you'll not have any idea as to what a mortgage payment costs. Okay, I hope that helps you out. If you have any questions, let me know.